Snow blankets the quiet countryside as the cottage chimney releases a thin, silver trail of smoke into the gray sky. Inside, I watch the delicate flakes drift past the frosted window pane. The world outside is a frozen masterpiece, silent and still in the winter chill. In the kitchen, grandmother carefully arranges golden honey, spicy cinnamon, and white flour on the rustic wooden table. A fine dust of flour fills the air as we knead the dough together. We press star-shaped cutters into the surface, lining the trays with perfect precision. The oven door glows, casting a deep orange warmth across the floor as the cookies bake to a golden brown. Grandmother steeps chamomile and rose petals, the fragrant steam curling into the quiet air. Grandfather steps in from his workshop, his cardigan dusted with fresh sawdust, holding a repaired wooden box. He catches the scent of cinnamon and smiles. The family gathers by the fireplace, teacups held close, as the firelight dances across our faces. Grandfather begins his evening story. Outside, the winter storm intensifies, but here we share warm cookies and quiet smiles. The living room glows in the amber light of dusk. As night falls, our cottage stands as a beacon of light in the deep snow, a peaceful sanctuary of lasting warmth.